Now, today we are going to start chapter 4, that is methods of calculating national income. Till now, you have learned how to convert GDP at the rate of MP into NNP at the rate of FC. Today, we are going to learn how to calculate national income. There are three methods to calculate national income. All of you know what is the formula of national income, that is NNP at the rate of FC. Now there are three methods to calculate national income, that is income method, expenditure method and value added method. Today we will discuss income method. First of all, make it sure from income method we are going to calculate NDP at the rate of FC, which is a very important point. From income methods we are going to calculate NDP at the rate of FC. What is the full form of NDP at the rate of FC? That is net domestic product at the rate of factor cost. Now, how to calculate NDP at the rate of FC? First of all, that is the formula: compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income. If in your question compensation of employees it is given, then use as it is. Otherwise, we have to calculate. What is the formula of compensation of employees? In short form, we are using the word COE. In short, we are using that COE. How to calculate COE? Wages and salaries plus employer contribution to social security. Make it sure we are using employer contribution, not employee contribution. Wages and salary plus employer contribution to social security. By this formula, we can calculate COE, compensation of employees. I think so all of you are clear. Now, second, operating surplus. How to calculate operating surplus? How to calculate operating surplus? If it is given in the question, use as it is operating surplus. But if it is not given, then we have to calculate operating surplus. How to calculate operating surplus? That is a formula: rent plus royalty plus interest plus profit. Clear? Rent plus royalty plus interest plus profit. Now, if in the question profit is not given, many times profit are not given, so we have to calculate profit also. Profit, how to calculate profit? That is CPT, corporate profit tax or corporate tax, plus UP, undistributed profit or retained earnings, plus dividend. CPT, it means corporate profit tax, CT, corporate tax, UP, undistributed profit and retained earnings plus dividend. This is the formula which you have to note it down. CPT, corporate profit tax plus UP means undistributed profit and we can use the term retained earnings plus dividend. by which we can add profit. We can calculate profit. After calculating profit, we are going to add into the with rent, royalty plus interest plus profit, and we are going to find out operating surplus, where we are using here while calculating national income from income method. Now the last step, that is mixed income. I told you here NDP at the rate of FC. What is the formula? COE plus operating surplus plus mixed income. Mixed income, it is given in the question as it is. First of all, COE, how to calculate compensation of employees, wages and salary plus employer contribution to social security. Operating surplus, how to calculate operating surplus, rent plus royalty plus interest plus profit. I hope all of you are clear. If in the question profit is not given, but the information of profit is given, how to calculate profit, CT, it means corporate profit tax, corporate tax plus undistributed profit or retained earnings plus dividend. We can calculate profit. After calculating profit, we are going to add three of them. Mixed income, it is given as it is in the question of COE plus operating surplus plus mixed income. What we are going to find out? NDP at the rate of FC. NDP at the rate of FC, it means net domestic product at the rate of factor cost. I hope all of you have clear. Now I will explain this with an example. Now from the following information, we have to calculate national income. How to calculate national income from income method? First of all, what it is given? Compensation of employees 800, rent 200, wages and salary 750, net export minus 30, net factor income from abroad minus 20, profit 300, interest 100 and depreciation 50. All of you know from income method, we are going to find out NDP at the rate of FC. As I told you, NDP at the rate of FC, it means net domestic product at the rate of factor cost. What is the formula of that? COE, compensation of employees, plus operating surplus, OS, plus mixed income. First of all, COE. How much it is given? It is given already in the question, so we are not supposed to calculate. That is 800. Clear? Now OS, operating surplus. I told you right now formula. Operating surplus, rent plus royalty plus interest plus profit. Now rent, how much it is given? 200. Royalty, how much it is given? Royalty, it is not given in the question, so keep it 0. Interest, how much it is there? 100 plus profit, how much it is there? 300. Now operating surplus, add it. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 and 3, 600. Clear all of you? Now, mixed income in the question, if it is given, look at there, mixed income, COE, rent, wages and salary, net export, net factor. Mixed income is also not given. So, keep it 0. Now, apply the formula. How to apply? COE, how much it is given? 800. Plus operating surplus, how much we have calculated? 600. Mixed income in the question, it is not given, so leave it as it is 0. Now how much NDP at the rate of FC we are going to find out? That is 1400. Clear? That is NDP at the rate of FC. I hope all of you are clear. Just let me explain you again. COE, how much it is given? 800. Operating surplus, we are going to calculate. How to calculate? Rent plus royalty plus interest plus profit. Rent, how much it is given? That is 200. Interest 100. Profit 300. How much it is? Operating surplus 600. And mixed income, it is not given in the question, so leave it. Now apply the formula. NDP at the rate of FC equal to COE plus operating surplus plus mixed income. COE 800, operating surplus 600 plus mixed income, leave it. NDP at the rate of FC equal to 1400. Clear? Now, how to calculate, that is NDP at the rate of FC. Now in the question we have to calculate national income. In the question we have to calculate national income. Now we have to convert, all of you know national income means NNP at the rate of FC. But this methods what we have calculated, NDP at the rate of FC. Now we have to convert this into this. NDP at the rate of FC, we have to convert this into NNP at the rate of FC. How to calculate? It is very easy. Whatever we have calculated already. NDP at the rate of FC. Write it. NDP at the rate of FC. How much it is? 1400. All of you know? Now, what you have to calculate? Write it now. NNP at the rate of FC. From N to N, we have to do nothing. From net to net, net domestic product, net national product, net to net, we are not supposed to do anything. Domestic to national, in previous session I told you what you have to do. Net factor income from abroad. Okay, P to P, we are not supposed to do anything. FC to FC, we are not supposed to do anything. If it is different term, then we are going to change. But it is the same term, that's why we are not going to convert anything. Net to net, no, we are not. That is the same term. Because of this reason, we are not going to add appreciation or subtracted appreciation. FC to FC, that is also same term. Because of this reason, we are not going to change it. What we have to change? Domestic to national. From domestic to national, I told you earlier also, net factor income from abroad we have to add. Net factor income from abroad, if it in the question given, yes, it is given net factor income from abroad, that is minus 20. Minus 20, if it is given minus 20, minus, do it minus. Now how much NNP at the rate of FC we have got? NNP at the rate of FC, that is 1380. 1380. Clear? Now I will upload few questions related to income method. You have to do practice. Still, if you are facing any kind of problem, just let me know so that I can solve it. I want to tell you one thing. If in this question there is extra information is given, suppose it is given net export, but we have not required net export in this question, so no need to do anything. In this question, wages and salary also given, but we are not required to use wages and salary. Why? Because compensation of employees already given. So don't get confused. Whatever I told you, the method, whatever the term I told you, you have to use that only terms. Other terms you have to leave. Okay, clear? Now in next session we will discuss expenditure method.